We, the members of Magnolia District, GFWC, Texas, a General Federation of Women's Clubs group, are firmly against and oppose double 33 trailer combinations on America's highways. Please consider this when you vote.
The banner that you see displays in actual feet the proposed tractor-trailer combination length that would be allowed on U.S. highways with the motoring public. Take action to stop these 91-foot double tractor trailers. The General Federation of Women's Clubs, with its 100,000 members representing all 50 states, opposes increasing the length and/or the weight of tractor-trailer combos on America's highways. These longer, heavier trucks would require more stopping distance, compounding safety concerns, would create more stress on an already beleaguered infrastructure, and would, if allowed, have negative impact on interstate commerce. The second banner is a representation of the estimated 22 additional feet that these longer trucks would require to stop, further endangering lives and property.
Please take our concerns into consideration when you vote on this bill.